This is why genuine understanding is dying. Random forwards are treated as sacred texts. Consumption is confused with wisdom. Scrolling with thinking. This deeply disturbs me. Real knowledge sells without effort, without reading primary sources. Where is it gone? Remember dopamine hits every 8 seconds from a new reel?
Hello friends, shadows on your screen? Are you trapped in the WhatsApp cave? Yes, that's our subject today in Ridhiman's journey of catalyzing curiosity and obtaining self-mastery. Imagine living the entire life staring at shadows on the wall of a cave, believing that's the real world. That's Plato's famous Allegory of the Cave, written 2000 years ago. Here's what is wild. We are living it right now. Reels, forwards, 8 seconds exposes, viral hot takes from random uncles, aunties, influencers, gurus. And we are discussing the energy crisis, the Iran war, the Palestine-Israel conflict, climate change, economic crisis, based on these shadows, which are reels, forwards and random exposes from random persons. Friends, that's not knowledge. This is digital imprisonment. Today, let's break free. What is Plato's Allegory of the Cave? We have published a video on this some time back. Please watch it. Plato tells there are prisoners who were chained in a cave since their birth, and they are made to look at the wall of the cave. A fire burns behind them. People move objects in front of the fire, casting shadows on the wall. And the prisoners can only see the shadows on the wall. And the prisoners take these shadows very seriously. They name them. They argue about them. They fight over them, thinking that's the reality. A prisoner breaks free, then climbs up out of the cave in sunlight. He's confused in the beginning because he is used to, conditioned to see only the shadows on the wall. He says, "Oh my God, this is the real world." He returns to the cave and urges his ex-fellow prisoners to follow him to the sunlight outside the cave. They think this prisoner is crazy. What is he talking about? And they choose to stay back in the comfort of the shadows. Just use this allegory to our present situation. The phone is the cave. The fire is the algorithm that drives feeds to our phone. And the reels, the random forwards are the shadows. Somebody has sent a 20-second reel on the Iran war with dramatic music and text overlays. A so-called motivational guru discussing international relations like it's a cricket match. And we watch these reels. we accept, we read, we forward, we argue on WhatsApp, in get-togethers, in the family, thinking we have the knowledge of this. But do we ever turn around to question the source of these random reels and forwards? Do we seek to reach out to the primary reports, the conflicting data juxtaposed to these reels, or books, or history books? No, because we are forced to live in this comfortable world of the so-called delusional knowledge that these reels and forwards appear to share with the people. The result is a crowd, a delusional crowd, which thinks they have knowledge about everything under the sun. From the wars, about the energy crisis, the climate change, the global economic value chains. They seem to know everything, but actually with no understanding of those subjects. What is this, friends? This is only consumption masquerading as wisdom. Scrolling masquerading as thinking. This is viral versus verified. And we don't realize, because every 8 seconds, every second, a reel releases a fresh spell of dopamine in our bodies. Friends, it deeply hurts the society, the world, and our future. Knowledge is not easy. Knowledge is hard effort. Knowledge is going back to the primary sources, to the books, to the data, to the evidence, which may change our views. So, just like the prisoner who broke free, let's try to seek out the sunlight. Let's not sit like his ex-fellow prisoners in the comfort of the shadows cast on the wall of the cave. This is the way to go, friends. Otherwise, our perception shrinks. We think every truth as a conspiracy. We divide our mind into us versus them, into good guys versus bad guys. We run away from complexity. But the world is complex, but it is thrilling and exciting. So friends, let's seek the sunlight. Come out of this cave, come out of this world of reels and forwards to the worlds of primary sources, books, history, economics, and evidence and data. Thank you, friends. Let's break free and bask in the sunlight of real knowledge. Hope you like this discussion. We'll come out with many more such discussions in future. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Wish you all the best.